Hello everyone, it's Gina from Orchid and Opal, and today I am very excited to bring you an unboxing of the March 2018 Dollar Bead Box. So Dollar Bead Box is a subscription where they send you a whole box of beads, findings, anything that you could possibly use to make jewelry, and it's about $18 a month. For the box. They're not paying me to do this video. I just have a lot of fun getting this box and I wanted to share. I also love seeing everyone else reveal their boxes and find out what everybody's getting. I also get the Dollar Bead bag, which is another subscription, and you'll see it's actually right on the top here. Let me just take a peek at what we have in this letter. Dear member, next month the Dollar Bead Club team is traveling to the Czech Republic. We're going to be searching out items for several months of future boxes and bags, and we'd love to hear what you'd like us to include. That's cool. Your suggestions can include colors, styles, materials, or anything else to help us make our decisions. The more information we have, the better. We can create boxes and bags you'll love. You can contact us via the website or Facebook, blah, blah, blah. Very cool. I might have to think about that. So every month they include like a little letter. On the back is the list of what is included in the box. And again, I get the bead bag as well, which is another like add-on subscription, and it's $8 a month. You get 4 3mm strands and 4 4mm strands. And go ahead and open that up. It's got the list of what is on it. And I always love seeing, wow, already so pretty. I'm going to just close this. This is the top here. Love seeing what colors and finishes they include. So let's pull this out. I'm actually going to scoot the bag over. Sorry about all the shuffling noises. Alright, let me organize these a little bit better so I can figure out what's what. Okay. And I don't know if one of my other strands fell out. It's a little weird. I know it was in here. Well, I'm sorry guys. For now, we got 3 strands of 3mm and 4 4mm, but maybe I'll find it. Anyway, I know it was in there because I took a peek in the box prior to the video to see what was in there, and I actually used a couple of things already. I was so anxious to use them. Alright, well anyway, so what we have here in the 3mm strands, we have Crystal AB, which is this one right here. Super pretty, shiny finish. Will go great in many, many projects. We have, let's see, this one's actually says Royal Metallic Purple, and I think they must have corrected it because there was an email sent out, I believe, saying that they had originally called it Mardi Gras. But what happens is I get the bead box actually probably on the very, very last day. Everybody always gets theirs way ahead of me. So I actually received mine on the 30th of March. So I'm probably one of the last ones, and they may have had time to correct it. So anyway, that was the Royal Metallic Purple. It's got a little bit of kind of like greenish tinge to some of the sides, purple, a little bit of clear. I'm seeing a little bit of like smoky amethyst color. Very pretty. And then this is the opaque red nebulous luster, which I love this bead. We received the 4mm, I think, in February, and oh my goodness, so pretty. Red's like my favorite color anyway, but it's just, this color is so rich and I love the finish on it. Alright, then we move on to the 4mm strands. We have the Jet hematite AB. So it's the base of like black, very sparkly, has a lot of blue and purple and green, a little bit of silver kind of shining through in that. Very nice. Always love that color. I use a lot of that type of color. And then we have the ocean green opal. Wow, this color is just gorgeous. I think it looks a little bit more blue on my phone as I'm filming. It's more, to me, it's more of like a jade green kind of. Super pretty. Great for spring. And then we have the opaque white half copper 4mm. Again, just love it. I just love these check fire polish beads. I think they're so pretty. And I know I'll keep saying that, and I'll probably say it 100 more times. So, sorry about that. Alright, and then we have the matte copper. That would definitely look nice with the one we just saw, the opaque white half copper. Would be nice for that as well. Alright, so that was the bead bag, and I really apologize. I don't know what happened to that fourth strand. It looks like it should have been an opaque white half copper, so it would have been this, but in the 3mm size. So, I'm sorry about that. It must have fallen out in the shuffle. It happens, right? Okay, so I'm just going to slide this over and we'll get to the dollar bead box. And again, the bead bag is about $8 and the bead box is about $18. So all kinds of goodies in here. Let me look at the list and we'll go through it one at a time. So the first one is a 3x5 check glass gem cut rondelle yellow opal. What is that? Ah, must be these. These are looking a little bit lighter on the screen. Maybe if I put it next to the light, I don't know. I guess you can kind of see that there's a difference. It's a super pale yellow. Very pretty. It's just got the slightest little hint of yellow to it. Very nice. Set those down. The next item we have is the 4mm check fire polish crystal AB, 50 pieces. So you saw we got the 3mm in the bag, and they sent the 4mm coordinating strand in the box, which is awesome. I love when that happens. Super handy. And the crystal just will go with so many different things. You really can't have enough. So there's that. The next item we have is the 6mm check glass bicone turquoise with travertine. And that's, oh man, look at the finish on that. Just gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to do something with these. I'm not sure what. I'm really in love with the shape, and anything with the travertine finish, it just really gives it that detail to each of the beads that just make them so interesting. Excited about that. What am I not excited about? Excited about everything. The 8x10 check glass tulip, and it would come in ice blue or opaque turquoise. So, looks like I got the opaque turquoise. Wow. Look at the shape of those. Those are so cool. I have not worked with any of these before. So that is going to be a lot of fun. Of course, I love the color. I love anything in the turquoise family, aqua, any of those types of colors. Be super pretty for some kind of a spring piece. Love them. Okay, and then we have The last strand is 6mm lava beads, 60 pieces. So that's quite a few. And this was the strand I dug in here last night and I grabbed a few of these because I needed them for a project. But how cool are these lava beads? You can see the detail in there. They're kind of porous. They're super interesting. Really, really like them. And they're more interesting than just a solid black glass pearl or something like that. Very, very unique. Alright, and then we have additional items. So you see they send quite a few interesting strands, and then we get additional items. Let's see, we have the 4mm Chinese crystal bicone, assorted colors. Chinese crystal bicone. Okay, so that's gotta be these. Awesome. So just some black bicones. I can't really tell about the quality too much. It looks like they may be Chinese crystal. They're not like super even on all sides, but that's alright. I'll still use them for sure, and apologize if there's glare on that. There we go. The next item is the Crystal Tech stretch cord. That's this. Cool. I don't have any stretch cord, so I'll have to find something to do with that. Make some bracelets or something. Definitely handy to have any kind of additional cords or anything like that. Silver plated head pins, 100 pieces. Cool. Another handy item. Always good to add to the finding stash. Alright, hand-dyed Chinese silk cord, violet. I love these silk cords. I really haven't done anything with them yet. Of course, this is the second dollar bead box I've received. The first one was a really pretty bright pink, and I just love this delicious purple color. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I just love it. It just feels really good. I don't know. Some kind of necklace, I think, with a tie back. I'll have to think on that one. And spring rings, antique brass, 100 pieces. Another handy item to have. And I love the spring rings. They're so much more secure than just a basic jump ring. They got the extra loop on them, so it gives a little extra security when it comes to putting your jewelry together, which is great. Alright, then we have a freshwater stick pearl. Size varies, 1 piece. Interesting. So the hole, okay, this would go like up and down maybe, like as a pendant. The holes are on either end there. I think I watched a couple other unboxing videos, and some people I think received some that were almost like twice as long. I don't know. So the size definitely varies on that. It's very interesting. And then we have the 12mm lapis rounds. Oh, I love these. They look like little earths to me. That sounded weird. But I mean, they're just so cool. Like, they've got some white in there, a little bit of like greenish, and then of course the amazing blue. So I think I'm gonna have to make a pair of earrings with these right away. I just think they're gorgeous. Love them. Alright, and then we have the 14mm check glass striped triangle, crystal and blue. Striped triangle. Ah. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. Gotta take these out. How cute! You can see the holes on either end there. Very pretty. Little stripes inside of blue. Gorgeous. I love getting all these little unique beads that I may not ordinarily just buy on my own, and I love the creativity that comes with just getting a random box of beads because it really makes me think outside of the box. No pun intended. But it really stretches my creativity, which is the reason I love these boxes. Not to mention you really do get a lot for your money. Alright, then we have the, let's see, okay, 12mm check glass table cut opaque blue and purple with travertine. And that is these babies. Super cute. Love it. I love the table cut beads. They're just so pretty. Now I'm not loving the fact that these are so different looking. Like this one's got a super obvious stripe and this one's like all blue. So, you know, maybe I'm being picky, I don't know, but like I love this. I think that's awesome. Even if this had like a little bit more of a stripe on the side. I'm just thinking in terms of like earrings. But I guess they're, you know, I'll make it work. I'll make it work. Just super pretty. I wanted to get them close up here so you could see the details. Gorgeous. Okay, so we're getting to the end of the box. We've got just a couple more items. We have a 12 by 16mm check glass table cut opaque red with travertine. And that's this guy here. Super cool. I love this bead. Of course I love red. You can see where the hole is. I might have to get another one. I think I'm going to have to make a pair of earrings out of these. And I'm going to need another one. It's just got to happen. See the detail on that. So pretty. I love check glass. And then our very final item, a 26mm pewter Buddha pendant, antique copper or silver. And it looks like I got silver. I will be giving that away. It's just not my style. But always cool to see what like little additions they send. Had a little stray there. So that is the March 2018 bead box and bag. I appreciate you being with me while I show you all these lovely items that I received. And again, I am not compensated or affiliated with the Bead box and bag. dollarbeadbox.com. I just really like them. I think they're fun. I love seeing other people unveiling their boxes every month. I think it's a lot of fun. I love hearing people's reactions to what they receive and then hearing some of the ideas that come from just taking a look at these items and thinking, ooh, what can I do with this? So that's that. I thank you for watching, and we'll see you on my next video. Bye! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching!